Dear viewers, welcome back in my YouTube channel Practical Civil Engineers, and the continuation of our previous lectures of estimating and costing by engineer Muhammad Bilal. Viewers, today this lecture is lecture number 9. So our this lecture we will discuss the floor area, setback area, floor area ratio in detail. So let's we start our today's lecture. So what is floor area? So floor area is the plinth area excluding area of wall. So in the wall you know that the floor area is same as the carpet area, but the floor area in the whole building, the veranda will be included, while in carpet area the veranda is not included in carpet area. So where we have the floor, so that area is called floor area. So the formula for floor area is floor area is equal to plinth area minus wall area. So what is you now you will ask that difference between floor area and carpet area. So in carpet area where the carpet is not admissible, so that area will be not included in carpet area, while in floor area, that area where floor is available, so that area is called, any type of floor is available, area is called floor area. Let's suppose the veranda, this is a 2-room building, and here we have a veranda. So in carpet area, excluding the thickness of the area of these walls, this area and this area will be suppose carpet area, but in floor area this area will be included in floor area. This area is also called floor area, and this one is also called floor area. So in floor area, the whole this is called floor area, excluding the thickness of these walls. But in carpet area, the veranda is not included in the carpet area, while the area usable for carpet is called this area will be called carpet area. So I hope you will be learn many updated and many to the point topics. So the second topic is setback area. So what is setback area? It is the maximum open space required around the building. Let's suppose this one is our building, and this is the boundary wall of our building, and this one is the total plot area. So when we left area around our building, sufficient area around our building is called setback area. So this distance or space is provided to keep the construction away from road, water bodies, other building. So for ventilation purpose we have, so this area is very much influenceable for a ventilation purpose. So as well as for water supply, a sewage line. So the area is have a very importance in the field of civil engineering or architects. So this is called the setback area. Now floor area ratio. So how we will find the ratio of floor area? Means that 2%, 50%, 40%. So it is the ratio of total floor area to the total plot area. So floor area ratio. So the ratio between floor area to the plot area. Let's suppose floor area is 100%. Floor area is 1000 square meter and the plot area is 2000 square meter. So the floor area 1000, we will divide 1000 by 2000, which will become 0.5. so when we will multiply 100 for percentage, so this will become 50%. So the floor area will be 50% of the total plot area. We can find the percentage by using this formula for any building. So if you like the video, kindly share, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.